And today I'm gonna be cooking the chicken gizzard today. This is chicken gizzard, and this is cassava. I'm gonna boil the cassava, and this is onions, 2 big onions. Okay, this is the chicken gizzard. So I'm gonna be cooking the chicken gizzard today and cassava. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So we're gonna start. I already cleaned the kitchen gizzard and cut it in pieces, like small pieces like this. And this is the cassava. So the cassava is clean already, wash it and cut it. I'm gonna boil the cassava. And this is the onions. And I'm gonna show you guys the season too, okay? The season I'm gonna use to cook the kitchen chicken gizzard, okay? So those the season I need to cook. This is chicken season. I love this season. This is very good. And this is my black pepper. And this is my Maggi season. And my salt and garlic season, okay? I'm gonna season my chicken with those season, but I'm gonna season it very light, okay? Not too much, very light, because you don't need to over season your food. If you over season your food gonna be too salty, okay? I'm gonna season it. You see, very light. Because I'm gonna boil it anyway, so when you put more water on it, that will remove some that salt on it. And this is the pepper. This pepper, you see how this pepper comes, so you need to use your 2 hands to do it. So I cannot use my 1 hand. So I'm gonna put the pepper and mix it, and after I'm gonna put the pot and start boiling the chicken gizzard and cassava, okay? So I just add the water to the pot to boil the cassava, and this the other pot for the I'm gonna add the oil. So I just wash the pot, so I'm gonna wait till this water dry and I'm gonna add the oil to it. So now I'm gonna add the cassava to the oil. This is the cassava, to the water. So this is the cassava. You're gonna add the cassava, you see. I'm adding the cassava to the water and cover it and add some salt to it, okay? You're gonna add some salt to it to boil it. So I'm gonna add the oil to it now. Okay, I already add the cassava, so you're gonna add some salt to it, okay? You're gonna add some salt to the water, and you're gonna cover the pot. And this is the chicken gizzard. The oil is hot, so it's time to add the kitchen gizzard to it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna mix it and cover it. I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes, and after I'm going to add some water to it, because you need to boil it too, because it's very hot. If you don't boil it, you cannot eat it. Chicken gizzard is very hot. You always need to boil your chicken gizzard before frying it, okay? Always do that. Okay, after 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you can open it and mix it one more time like this, okay? You see? And now it's time to add the water to it. So this is water. I'm gonna add the water to it. You need to make sure you boil it very good, because everybody know kitchen gizzard is very hard. If you don't boil it very good, you will not eat like the way you want it. So now I'm gonna cover it to the water. This water I put, this can cook to it finish. So I'm gonna cover it for 20 minutes to 30 minutes, okay? Cassava is ready. The way you're supposed to know the cassava is ready, you can take a knife like this and poke the cassava. You see, it's going in, and sometimes you can see the cassava like it's split in half. So that means it's ready. So this cassava is ready now, you see. It's very soft. So I'm going to turn it off the stove, and after I'm going to remove the hot water and just let it cool down by himself. The chicken gizzard is still cooking, and I'm going to cover it. Okay, so I'm going to remove this water and just let it cool down by himself. Okay, that's all you got to do for the cassava. The cassava is ready. You can eat this cassava, just you add some little butter on it, and that's it. You can eat it with a lot of stuff. Even some people can eat this like a fufu. You can cook it like any kind of soup and put on top of it. You can eat it like a fufu. Very tasty. It's time to add the onions now. You see, there's no more water left, just a little tiny bit of water. So it's time to add 1 Maggi. I'm gonna add 1 Maggi and my onions. So this is the onions, the 2 onions. Time to add the 2 onions, and I'm gonna mix it. Onions and garlic, okay? And I'm gonna add the Maggi, because the seasoning, you're gonna add those seasoning a little by little. You don't wanna add all the seasoning at one time, and they're gonna be over seasoned, okay? You don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna add 1 Maggi first and see if the seasoning is not enough. I'm gonna add some more of those same seasoning, the one I showed before in the beginning. But I'm gonna wait first and see this if the chicken bouillon is not enough. Okay, that's the chicken bouillon. Any kind of chicken bouillon, your choice you have home, you can use that. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper to it. I'm gonna add some black pepper, and I'm gonna wait till the onions is nice and cooked. Okay, the chicken gizzard is ready. So you see I'm mixing in there. The onions is cooked and the meat is cooked. Well done. This is how you cook the chicken gizzard. Very simple but very tasty too. Okay, and this is my cassava. Okay, so the way you're supposed to eat it, like this. You're gonna take a piece of cassava like this and add it to a clean plate. Two is enough for me. So I got a lot of cassava, and this is the rest. This is the chicken gizzard. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some chicken gizzard and add it to my plate like this. If you want to, you can add some little bit of the oil if you want to, but if you don't want to, this is the plate, and voila, that's my final. And thank you for watching Our Cuisine, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm gonna be posting. Okay, so please subscribe and share my video. Please share. The more share y'all do, the best too. Okay, so more people can know about me. Okay, so please share my video, please, and subscribe. Okay, love you guys so much, and see you next time. Okay, bye. So enjoy my video.